Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize accessibility shortcuts. Accessibility shortcuts lets you quickly turn on accessibility features on or off using the side button or the control center. To customize them, firstly you need to open to your settings app. From here scroll a bit down until you find this accessibility icon and tap onto this accessibility. And under this accessibility you need to scroll to the bottom and tap onto this accessibility shortcut there, and you'll see a list of features such as voiceover, zoom, assistive touch, background sounds, classic, invert. And once selected, you can quickly press the side button 3 times to open the accessibility shortcut menu and choose the feature you want to use. And that's how to customize the accessibility shortcut on your iPhone. And that is it. That's how to customize the accessibility shortcut on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.